Item number 4, preference assessments. We will start with single stimulus.
You like to color?
Sure. I'm done.
Okay. Do you like to play with book?
Sure. Starfish, crab, seahorse, dolphin, lobster, turtle, jellyfish, octopus, whale, shark.
Okay. Like dog?
Sure. No, I don't want it.
Oh, okay. I have a puzzle. Do you like? You like to play?
No,
No? Oh, okay.
thank you. Okay. Fourth choice preference assessment. Pick one. Chocolate. Good choice. Okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
Pick one. Mousse. Good choice. My turn. Pick one. Doll and book. You pick the doll. Okay. Okay, my turn. Thank you. Pick one. All right. Give it chocolate. Good choice. Here you go. Pick one. Okay, the doll. Okay, my turn. Pick one. Great. My turn. Okay, so you picked the chocolate and the mousse 2 times each, the food book and the doll 1 time each. So you like the chocolate and the mousse. That's paired choice. The second preference assessment is a multiple stimulus with replacement. You have a book, a doll, and a coloring book. Pick one. Great. Colors are right there. My turn. You have moose, coloring book, and puzzles. Pick one. You pick the puzzles for choice. Okay, my turn. You have the doll, the cards, and the puzzles. Pick one. Doll, good choice. Okay, my turn. You have the book, you have the doll, and you have the moose. Pick one. Okay. Okay, my turn. Okay, you have cards, moose, and puzzles. Pick one. Okay, my turn. Thank you. Alright, you have the coloring book, cards, and this book. Coloring, alright. My turn. Okay. The moose, the puzzles, and the coloring book. Pick one. Puzzle. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I presented each item 3 times, and the item that she chose most was the puzzle and the coloring book. So the puzzle is the highest preferred, the, the puzzle was the highest preferred, the coloring book was a moderately preferred, and then the mousse was the least preferred. MSWO, multiple stimulus without replacement. You have some cards, you have a book, you have puzzles, doll, and a moose toy. Pick one. Alright, good choice. My turn. Okay. Alright, pick one. Alright, you pick the card. Good choice. My turn. Good job. Alright, you have book, moose, and puzzles. Pick one. Puzzles, alright. My turn. Alright. You have the moose and the book. Pick one. My turn. Would you like this to play with? No? Okay, so her highest preferred item was the doll. She chose the doll first, and then the cards and the puzzles, and then the moose, and she did not pick the book.